Okay, for 19, okay, compounds P and S, phosphorus and sulfur, all right, have the same molecular formula. Okay, so yeah, each compound was separately added, treated with ethanolic silver nitrate, and the observations were recorded. Okay, so this question is all about the CX bond. All right, so the one that forms a PPT immediately must be have the weakest CX bond, right? So this one must be the one in instantaneously, right? It should be Ci, and this is a alkyl halide, alkyl iodide. All right, okay, then followed by after 2 minutes will be CBr, and after 10 minutes will be CCl. Okay, but no PPT form because this is a aryl halide. Okay, so this one has a benzene ring attached to the halogen, and this has partial double bond character. Over here, this one has partial double bond character, and the CX bond is not broken easily. All right, CX bond not broken easily. So the CX bond length increases from, so R, does this have the the strongest bond? Okay, so let's look at R first. This is the longest bond, right? The bond length. So they say this seems like the shortest. So A is definitely wrong already. Okay, the bond length increases. So it must be the shortest to the longest. So it should be the other way around. Okay, it should be the other way around. All right, the one with the longest bond length should be R. All right. Okay, so that's wrong. Okay. How about the next one? This is wrong. Let's just write down first. Okay, R can be formed by reacting iodine with methyl benzene in the presence of UV light. Okay, so you cannot get alkyl iodide by reacting with iodine and UV light. Okay, for alkanes, right? Only the chlorine and the bromine can actually react with UV light, but not iodine. All right, not iodine. So this one definitely is wrong. All right. Okay, so Q can be formed by reacting bromine with methyl benzene in the presence. Yes, okay, this is definitely true. So if I have methyl benzene, all right, and then I use bromine and AlBr3, okay, and you go form Q, which is aryl halide. This is probably what you can get. All right, maybe like a Br plus HBr. All right, so you get a aryl halide. So this is definitely true. All right. Okay, so all the rest are like, for example, like S, right? It's probably the answer would be something like this, CH2Cl. Okay, so it's a alkyl halide. Okay, but not the halogen is not directly attached to the benzene ring. Okay, heating each compound will produce heating each of the compound P, Q, R, and S in acidified KMNO4 produces this. That may not be true, okay, because Q is already a aryl halide. So in fact, when you heat P, Q, R, and S, okay, so take this as a Q. All right, you won't get this. All right, heating, you won't get this, right? So this one, it still has a Br. So what I mean is this, for Q, so this is definitely wrong. So say Q is this one here. All right, when you use KMNO4 and you heat it, all right, you get COH, and there's a Br over here. All right, so yeah, okay, so this is definitely wrong. Okay, so anyway, the answer is C.